Hello guys, today we will look into using Python in Excel. Now for most of you who have not aware that Microsoft has already implemented using Python in Excel. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to notice on the formula tab here on the new Excel sheet, and you will notice this new mini tab here that actually shows for Python. And it is true here that you can actually implement the Python functions in Excel. What we're going to do right now is you can actually have this option here called the insert Python formulas on your Excel cells, and you also have the reset, diagnostic, and initialization. And if you click on each of these, you will be able to see what is actually will be running. So let's try on the initialization. If you click on the initialization, it will actually import all the important libraries that are mostly used for calculation. You can see there's NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Excel, warnings, and all these important libraries for Python. And if you click on the diagnostics, it actually shows the more like a terminal if the function has already been running, or it gives out an output at here. And of course reset is just to reset. And here you can actually insert a Python. So let's try to click on any part of the cell and insert a Python formula here. And if you were to use a simple print, and now that we have actually put in a simple hello here, if you just click on this check marks here, looks like it's actually missing a parenthesis, so let's put the parenthesis here and let's click on this. You can see on the diagnostic here, it actually shows here hello, and in here you can actually see there's options of a drop down list. There's Python object and Excel value. I mean, either way it doesn't really show anything here because it's not returning anything, but you can see it's actually printing hello string on the diagnostic section here.